بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم اللہم صلی علی سیدنا مولانا محمد وبارک وسلم. First of all, I thank you to Dr. Irfan, Mia Irfan Yusuf and Dr. Farooq who invited me, Farooq Iqbal, who invited me here to address this august audience and very knowledgeable audience. And today my topic of sharing knowledge. I am not going to deliver any lecture. I am just coming here for sharing few thoughts about a topic that I have selected. And that topic is female infertility and homeopathic treatment. Female infertility, the causes of female infertility and how we can treat those causes or reason or symptom or diseases with homeopathic medicine. This is our topic. One of the previous topic that was I selected was male infertility and homeopathic treatment. That lecture I delivered at Lahore, and I am very thankful to the chairman and founder of Dr. Ashraf Saab, Jogri Ashraf Saab, who invited me at Lahore to deliver lecture on male infertility and homeopathic treatment. And that lecture was comprising of 3.5 hours. I delivered that lecture continuously for 3.5 hours, and none of the other topic was discussed except that male infertility and homeopathic treatment. And now today here in the Farooq Homeopathic Clinic and Store, under the shelter of Farooq Homeopathic Store and Clinic, we are now going to discuss the female infertility exclusively. We have denoted female infertility topic for and homeopathic treatment. So first of all, before starting that lecture, I would like to explain 3 miasms: Sora, psychosis and syphilis. Although we have studied miasm in the sequence that Sora, syphilis and psychosis, but when I will explain you that the Sora will appear in our body, then it will be converted into the psychosis, and then finally the last miasm that will appear in our body is syphilis. Sora, what is Sora? If you are not able to understand this point, Sora, psychosis and syphilis, then my topic of infertility will not be comprehend for you, will not be helpful for you to treat the homeopathic patient of those who are suffering from the infertility cases at your clinic. And I am not going to claim anything, but with the blessing of Allah, that after listening my lecture for just 15 minutes, you all people who are sitting here will be able to treat all the infertility cases with homeopathic treatment, inshallah. So let's start. Number 1, Sora. Sora is actually the functional disorder of our body. Whenever there is some functional disorder in our body, then we can say the person is affected with the Sora. क्या हम उसके एग्जाम्पल देंगे? What is the example we can present here? Number 1 is sir dard. A person is feeling headache. There is no cause. You have no cause. You have not known any cause why the person is suffering from the headache. It is only the disorder in our body. There is no pathological changes. There is no symptomatic changes. There is no destruction in the body. Just that person is feeling headache. Now it is Sora. Number 2, मेरी उम्र इस वक्त जो है ना